Hi guys! In today's video, I'm so excited to share this belly fat burning detox drink. It works within just 3 days. I've actually lost 10 pounds, the quickest 10 pounds of my life doing this, and some methods that can help, so stay tuned. Also, if you're new, don't forget to check out my Instagram at Anita Samantha for daily tips, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel for a bunch of other DIYs. Hit the bell button, give it a thumbs up, and let's get into it. We have a lot to talk about, from the drink to what I did, what I recommend, as well as some really good sculpting techniques for your stomach and debloating massage techniques. So let's start with the drink. First, you'll be needing a large pitcher. This one holds 12 cups of water. I'll link some from Amazon down below. And I'm going to show you the ingredients first because all of these are super important to help detoxify your body, really remove the stubborn body fat. But you will be needing some fresh parsley. You will also be needing some limes. I just bought a pack. I get the organic Persian limes, but any limes will do, and you will need 3 of these. And remember, I'm going to show you the portion for 1 day, and you just will remake these for the 3 days. You can always buy extra if you want to continue this drink. It won't do any harm. It just literally helps you lose so much fat and detoxify your body. It also has amazing health benefits to clear your skin if you have any acne. This is just so healthy. So you're also going to be needing 2 lemons for this drink. And if you need a substitution, you can always use the amount of lemons and limes, just choosing one, but I highly recommend both. You'll also need some ginger. I bought a big block because I will be using this. Like I said, I bought enough for the 3 days, but I recommend using the raw ginger root. It's so much more powerful, and it's going to help so much with this stubborn belly fat. The next ingredient you'll need is some mint leaves. I do buy all organic, I just feel better that way, but you can also buy the regular one. This is gonna really help with bloating and flushing out toxins. It also tastes so good, and it's really good for any feminine hygiene, even with males. It helps you odorize differently, but more importantly, when it comes to this weight loss journey, it really helps with releasing extra matter, you can call it, from your gallbladder, and helping with a lot of bloating. So now that you have these ingredients, I had to save the best for last, which is cinnamon sticks. I recommend using the sticks for this mixture. If you use the powder, it gets really clumpy. You can still do it, but it just does not look as appealing, and it does clump, so it can get a little annoying. But these cinnamon sticks are key to burning fat and hyping up your metabolism so it can naturally burn fat while you drink it. So now let's get into actually making it, exactly how to do it. I do have a technique, and I'll also get into when to drink it, how much of it to drink, and the other tips and tricks. So first, when it comes to the lemons, I just like to cut them in half because we will be squeezing this into the drink. I do the same thing with the 2 of the limes, and then I save the last lime, which I'll show you guys later, to chop a little bit differently for some more benefits. And the lemon and lime are a great detoxifier. It also helps naturally change the way your body consumes fat and stores fat, and it keeps your immune system up during this process. Next up is ginger root. I like to use, like I said, the real organic ginger root. I just break it in half, and then I peel it because you really don't need that skin. And I will chop it in just 3 large pieces so it can soak into the drink. And ginger is amazing for fat loss. Actually, if you look at a lot of weight loss supplements, they contain ginger powder. It also helps your colon detoxify, getting rid of any extra waste, and they say that it helps with your waist to hip ratio. So next up, you'll need about 2 stems of the mint leaves, which are amazing for detox. It also tastes good. It's great for your skin. Same thing goes for parsley, one of the most powerful detoxing plants. I actually even put that in my smoothies. I noticed it helps with appetite suppressing as well, and it's just so powerful to get your body detoxifying and removing extra fat. So now let's get into the actual drink. So you're gonna need 12 cups of clean water. I use just pure, clean, filtered water. You can also use alkaline water, really whatever your personal preference is. Then I like to add about a cup of ice. This is really important for me because not just does it help it taste better, but also it has benefits where your body uses its metabolism to warm up the water in your system. So it's just a win-win for me because it's cold and it helps your metabolism. So then I start with the parsley, and then I go in with the mint leaves, and then I like to really give this a good stir so it can start, I guess you can say, oxidizing in the water and just releasing all of those benefits. Then I like to go in with the ginger, really stir it up so it can soak in. And you can do this the day before and leave all of this overnight. But since I do drink this every single day, I have to remake it since I don't have 3 pitchers. So I like to just do what I can to be able to drink it right away with the benefits. So I squeeze in the juice. I don't like to use the skin or put them in whole because it creates a really, really bitter taste and you're not really getting much from the skin. But I do end up chopping the last lime in really slim pieces, so it can continue to soak and get a little bit of the skin in there, but not enough for it to taste bitter. So that's my little secret to keeping it tasting really good. Made it this far, comment 6-minute mark down below so I can show you a ton of love and say what's up. So once I'm done stirring it really well, that's when I like to add the cinnamon sticks. I like to add about 2 to 3, really let them soak and just get into the water as the day goes on. You can add up to 4 if you'd like. This really just helps with fat burning, but I'm going to be adding 2. So there's 3 ways that I drink this that I notice for me is the best. You can really just drink this any way you want, but you have to drink the whole pitcher. That's about 96 fluid ounces to 100 fluid ounces a day of it. And in the morning, I just like to drink it regular with maybe a little lime and some ice to really kickstart my system. Then later in the day, I like to add a little extra cinnamon, drink it like that, as well as at night. This is what I drink throughout the day, all day, every day for the 3 days. And you can eat regularly. Of course, if you want to eat a little healthier, you'll get even better results, but you'll notice your cravings change while drinking this, as well as your appetite. So something else that really helps with rapid weight loss within those 3 days is cardio. It also helps you sweat this out. Speaking of, before we get into the massages, I wanted to shout out today's sponsor, which is the XBike X-Bike, which has been amazing for my personal weight loss journey because I get to work out at home with such an amazing system. Since I try to get at least 15 to 30 minutes of cardio a day, I love that they have as short as 15-minute classes so I can just knock it right out. It's like having an at-home gym. There's a 22-inch, as you can see, rotatable screen, so you can use it with a mat on the floor to do little workouts on the floor. You can also use it as the spin bike. It's filled with world-class instructors and instant feedback to help you with just self-awareness and how your progress is going. Find that the performance tracking technology is the best because you can challenge yourself and you can use it with your friends all around the world. You also see your real-time ranking and you can store up to 10 accounts. It's really easy to do and it shows you your custom profile, and it's so much cheaper than the more affordable competitors, but the quality is amazing. And I really also love like the little moods and the backgrounds, how they're so gamified, so it really keeps you focused and having fun. So I definitely recommend this XBike X-Bike with the touch screen and the full body segment. So I will have the XBike X-Bike linked down below and the Amazon link as well as a coupon for $200 off and a free 45-day membership. Last but not least are these life-changing massage techniques. I use both of these tools for just lymphatic drainage and definition of the stomach, as well as the ice roller to really shock the muscles and burn the fat. So both of these are designed for the face and the body. I've actually had them for 3 years now. I use them for so many purposes. I'll have it linked down below from theibizaglow.com. You guys have heard me mention it. And yeah, so first I like to really go in with the definition. It feels good. You notice instant results. And I like to spend about 20 to 30 minutes doing this. And then I also just really roll that ice roller to shock the muscles and create some really good ab definition and burn fat if you have fat to burn through first. So I definitely recommend both of these things, and of course this detox drink for 3 days and cardio. So I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know if you finished. Don't forget to check my ebook and links below, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys next time. Mwah.